It's been keeping everyone on tenterhooks. Now it's confirmed monkeypox has reached the country's shores.
The disease only spread through close contacts and not through droplets. So very dissimilar, very much unlike COVID and it's not a respiratory disease, and it spreads through contact with an infected person. That's far in terms of the history from where it has emerged. It has shown to be more dominant amongst men who have sex with men, but it just emphasizing the fact that it is mainly through very close contact.
Contact tracing is going to be important, and we'll continue to do that. But right now, it's just the one case, and it's for us as the lab people to be on the high alert and be able to identify should there be more cases and whether there's actually, a localization of those cases. But I really just want to assure everybody that, especially also with the, with everything that we have learned from COVID-19, when we're looking at the laboratory infrastructure, we've got all that it takes to be able to monitor any other new infections that might be arising.
Regarding COVID-19 regulations, citizens are now mask-free. This follows a decline in reported cases, hospitalizations and deaths.
As a public health measure, it's no more an obligation. As it has been.
Well, honestly, I don't know how to feel. But then I would say that I am happy because we'll be going back to the old normal. But then it's kind of tricky because we are now used to this new normal of masks.
There's no difference because, we've been lingering around without masks. You just had to observe this rule when you had to access shopping complex.
I think it's good for us as students because sometimes it's a bit annoying while you're studying and you have to wear a mask.
And for churches, it's a relief.
It's most helpful for particularly the worshipping communities is the fact that there is no longer a limitation to the numbers. If you think about mega churches like we have at Rhema and the Apostolic Faith Mission, and such as we have in the ZCC and the St. John's Apostolic Church, these churches have really suffered over the time. Or when they were these limitations. And so I think it's most welcome for most of these churches.
The SABC is, however, encouraging people to continue using masks. Mulimaone Moto, SABC News, Pretoria.